Drums of the island are beating in my heart. You're with me no matter where I roam. If ever I wonder if ever we'll part, I know that you will lead me home. If ever I should journey across the deep sea.
Your Excellencies and ladies and gentlemen, just a brief word of welcome to our Fijian night here at the West Inn. I said in my welcome speech yesterday that I hoped our international visitors would take time out to experience something of our country and the warmth and hospitality of our people. But for those of you who are the time poor, this is the next best thing. A taste of our culture through music, song and dance. I'm sure you all agree with me that the past couple of days have been a wonderful experience. We have forged new contacts and friendships that will help us all in the quest for solutions to our development challenges. And I've been very gratified at the positive feedback I've been receiving across the board. Tomorrow, I'll be making an exciting announcement about the future of the PIDF. But for now, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to relax, enjoy ourselves and celebrate the real stars this evening, our performers. They are ordinary Fijians with extraordinary talents, and one of the reasons why we're also proud of our culture. We enjoy the rest of the evening. Naka.